In today's video, you will learn how to make a homemade oil to treat sore legs. Do your legs ache? Pain in the legs can have many causes, such as poor circulation, sciatic pain, excessive physical effort, or neuropathy. To identify the cause of pain, pay attention to the exact place where it hurts and the characteristics of the pain. Notice if both legs are affected or only one, and if the pain lessens or worsens with rest. Usually, leg pain that doesn't improve with rest suggests circulation problems, like a peripheral vascular disease. Sore legs after waking up might be a sign of nocturnal cramps or lack of circulation. Depending on its intensity, the pain can even affect your daily chores and cause problems in your quality of life. The reasons for pain in the legs are many, ranging from lack of physical activities to even genetic factors, which should be analyzed by an expert doctor. Do you want to learn a natural recipe that can help you? This homemade recipe can help to lessen your muscle and joint pains. And you only need 2 ingredients, salt and extra virgin olive oil. That's right, an accessible, simple option that can help even with bone issues like osteoporosis. Isn't it amazing? You will need 20 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil or sunflower seed oil. Olive oil is the oily base of our ointment. It gives good texture to the lotion to facilitate its application. Besides, the monounsaturated fats deeply nourish the skin, giving it flexibility. 10 tablespoons Himalayan salt. Himalayan pink salt is richer than table salt. It contains more than 80 different types of minerals, including magnesium, which lessens pain and inflammation, and its sodium levels are lower. How to make it? Grab a glass container and mix all ingredients inside. Keep the container for 3 days in a cool, dark place. During this period, shake the mixture at least once a day. After that, it is ready for use. How to use it? In the morning, identify the exact pain points in your legs and apply the oil over them. Gently massage for 2 to 3 minutes. Do down to upwards movements to stimulate the blood flow. Repeat this process daily. With time, gradually increase the frequency of massages. You can make up to 4 daily massages in different hours, each one lasting up to 5 minutes. So, what do you think of this recipe? Did you know this homemade oil already? Try it at home and see how your leg pain improves. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.